One of my favorite memories is of my mother and I sitting in the living room watching those old Sunday afternoon movies. And they were great. Like every weekend we had a new adventure and a new fantasy, and I like to pretend I was in the movie. One of my favorite movies to pretend with was Singing in the Rain, and that was because of Gene Kelly. I love Gene Kelly. So it's kind of ironic now that people compare me to him. They say, you know, you move a little bit like Gene Kelly. Or if Gene ever skated, I think he'd skate like you. I'm so honored that I'm now being compared to one of my childhood heroes. Sometimes my skating allows me to do things I never dreamed possible.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain, dancing in the rain. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. Singing